home. Yeah.
So this is a traffic stop for what? Go ahead and break them off. Let me know what's going on.
This plate, not properly affixed. Your log punched. This vehicle, most commonly stolen.
That's fine.
So
This one ain't stolen.
I just need to check that.
Well, go ahead and check my plate in the bag, bro. Go ahead. I'm on my way to work. I'm not going home. So you might want to make this a little bit quick because this truck is not stolen.
It's on your time, man.
Yeah, it's on my time. So go ahead, bro. I'm not going nowhere. I'm right here.
You could sit on the curb?
No, I'm not sitting on no fucking curb, bro. I'm not no bum.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. Denver, Colorado. It could be Denver, Colorado. It could be Florida police, Arizona police, California police, New Jersey police, Texas police. It really doesn't matter. See the same thing over and over and over again. Imagine this, drinking coffee, minding your business, just coming out of a 7-Eleven with a coffee in your hand, and the police pull up and they state, this is a traffic stop. Your vehicle, it fits the description of the type of vehicles that are stolen. How does my vehicle look like a stolen vehicle? Is it reported stolen? No, but this is the harassment that this guy endures. But I like how he handles himself. Cool, calm, and collect. Let's check out this video. Leave your thoughts down below.
I'll send you home. Yeah.
So this is a traffic stop for what? Go ahead and break them off. Let me know what's going on.
This plate, not properly affixed. Your log punched. This vehicle, most commonly stolen.
That's fine.
So
this one ain't stolen.
I just need to check that.
Well, go ahead and check my plate in the bag, bro. Go ahead. I'm on my way to work. I'm not going home. So you might want to make this a little bit quick because this truck is not stolen.
It's on your time, man.
Yeah, it's on my time. So go ahead, bro. I'm not going nowhere. I'm right here.
You could sit on the curb?
No, I'm not sitting on no fucking curb, bro. I'm not no bum. You stopping me for what? I'm walking out of the store making coffee. You talking about my truck. So what are you saying?
Do you know that a great fragrance can boost your confidence? Much like the guy in this video. Now it's easier than ever to find the fragrance that fits you thanks to Scentbird. You can scan this QR code or simply use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Every month after that is only $16.95, saving you hundreds compared to full-size bottles. Me personally, I've been loving the Dolce & Gabbana. With its clean, crisp, but subtle smell, it's perfect for date nights. It's like the finishing touch on what's about to be a night of fun. Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men, has a sweet, spicy, aromatic, and plush fragrance that has a crisp ginger scent. And not to mention my other favorite fragrance, Versace Main Eau Fraiche, adds a rosewood to top notes of lemon to give a warm and aromatic feel. And get this, Scentbird offers flexibility. You never get stuck with a fragrance that doesn't fit your vibe. There's tons of variety, with over 700 options including high-end brands like Prada and Versace, as well as niche favorites like Perfumes de Marly. There's something new for everyone. The travel-friendly packaging is a lifesaver. It's compact, mess-free, and holds a generous 30-day supply. Plus, everything is delivered right to your doorstep, making it incredibly convenient. And look, don't just take my word for it. Get started with Scentbird today. Use my promo code WTPU to get started for just $8. That's WTPU. A huge shout out to Scentbird for helping me discover my new favorite fragrance. Now it's your turn to get started with Scentbird today. You can scan my QR code or use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Thanks to Scentbird for sponsoring this video.
I'm back in. Come and look at the tags. Come on. Do your job. Look at it. Look what it says. Go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and take a look at the tag. I'm not sitting on no curb.
You want me at 450?
I sit on the curb. What, you want to see the title too? Shit, I got that one too. Shit, what you talking about, bro?
Do you have a license?
Of course.
Will you walk over here so I can check that?
I really don't feel I need to walk anywhere.
Listen, I gave you my reason for the stop. It is lawful.
This is a traffic stop, bro. You pulled me. My car is parked. I'm coming out of 7-Eleven. This is not a traffic stop. There's no lights on this car.
I don't understand what that means. I don't see why that has
So how am I getting stopped? That's what I'm telling you. How are you stopping me? And I'm coming out the store. You want to see me start this up with a key or what?
Not until I run the VIN, but...
Well, run it. You see the plates is right there, registration, everything's in the car.
Because what's going to happen is I walk over there, you jump in the car.
Nigga, I'm not jumping in shit. Fuck you, bro. I'm not no bum. Jumping in a car and drive off on your ass. Get out of here. We got this cop illegally going in my truck, opening the door, pulling the plates out of my truck. Yep, cop pulling all my shit out of my truck. I didn't give him anything. What?
Seriously, we're on your time.
You got, yeah, we're on my time. You got my papers out of my truck yourself. So what are you saying? You opened my door.
How am I supposed to run this with you walking around like this?
I could walk around, bro. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not leaving my truck. I need to go to work.
Obviously not very urgent.
Well, obviously, man, hurry up.
I can't.
You got the registration. What more do you want? Call him. Call the sergeant too, bruh. Ridiculous. You ain't fuck with not one bum out here, no nothing, man. Come on.
How do I know you, Jerry? Because I know I do.
Nigga, I'm Westwood. I'm Junkyard Jerry. I make all District 4 look stupid thinking I'm a criminal. That's how. Probably in one of your training videos or something.
No, I know you personally. Like I know
Yeah,
you.
when that lady hit my El Camino, you said you couldn't do nothing at 7-Eleven because it was in a parking lot, correct?
go.
Yes,
There
yes,
we
sir.
go.
You don't know me for being a criminal. That's right.
So that's really helpful, right?
Is it? It's not helpful to me. Hurry up.
I'm trying.
Look at this guy pulling up crazy as fuck.
All right, guys, I'm just talking to Jerry because his car looked stolen, and then he didn't want to give me any info. So if you guys want to hang out with him, we'll clear him. We'll send him on his way.
Ooh. What's up? Uh-oh, guys, we got the cops that don't do no talking, man. They came over here. They got a super criminal today. Uh-oh. Harassing the taxpayers, but leave the thumbs and bums alone. That's crazy. And I'm gonna need everybody's goddamn badge number and card on this too. Especially this guy. Uh-oh, he got his little tobacco, his little chewing tobacco. Uh-oh. Crazy. Run my shit up, nigga.
Question for you, bro.
You ain't got nothing to say to me.
That's it. Thank you.
It's craziness.
Yep, we're all good.
What's up, bro? Yeah, they tripping. There we go. And I need a card with that too.
So Jerry, if you put those plates on your truck instead of
How long ago did I buy this truck?
I don't know. That's not my.
You didn't look at that registration too good, did you?
Looked at what I needed to, Jerry.
Yeah, okay. And y'all too, y'all ain't got no cards or what? Oh yeah, Mr. Put It on the Hood. How about you, big guy?
Have a good night, Jerry.
Yeah, I always do.
Bye, Jerry.
Yeah, man, make sure y'all get that shit straight too. Yeah. Make sure y'all catch them real criminals tonight. Leave them taxpayers alone. Uh-oh, District 4 is doing a great job. Make sure y'all check my YouTube, Junkyard Jerry. All three of y'all dummies will be on it.
So I was recently asked the question, hey, would you go back into law enforcement? And without hesitation, my answer was no, never again. And it's just a certain type of mindset that you have to have while working as a law enforcement officer. And that mindset is knowing that the things that you are doing are wrong. The things that you are doing to people are wrong. And if you don't have that mindset, you're not going to get too far. Now, I'll be honest, there are some good guys in law enforcement, but at some point they have to make a decision. Either you're going to conform and start acting the same way and violating rights the same way we see in these videos, or you're going to say, hey, this is not for me, and you're going to step away. Now, I get a lot of emails and a lot of comments saying, hey, you should stay with law enforcement. I wish you could have continued. And so do I. I wish I could have, but I just don't feel like it was possible. And when I look at officers like these in this video, and although this is a major rights violation, you're simply not getting you're not only getting your rights violated, you're being humiliated. And all you're trying to do is go to work. And no one is going to hold these officers accountable for what they do to people and how they ruin the lives of many people each and every day. I would never go back into law enforcement, but I do wish it could have been different. Listen, always record the police, always know your rights, and always fight back. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Remember, you can scan my QR code or use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Thanks to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Visit WeThePeopleUniversity.com where you can find our latest YouTube videos, more about myself, why I left the police department, merch, and more. If you have a police encounter that you would like highlighted, visit our website and click the Submit Videos tab. Fill out the video's form submission so that we can hold these tyrants accountable. And if you guys still haven't purchased my book, Living in the World of Tyranny, you can do so at WeThePeopleUniversity.com by clicking digital copy to read it right on your phone, or you can buy the hard copy or the paperback directly from Amazon. Also, be sure to pick up your free ebook to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with cops when you encounter them. And for those of you who are still trying to learn your basic rights, register for our course to learn how to deal with police so that your rights are not violated when you encounter cops. All this and more at WeThePeopleUniversity.com.